Good morning, students. Today we will learn about friendly letters. I know you all know that we have two types of letters in our syllabus. That is, one is formal letter and another one is friendly letter. Sometimes you all call friendly letter as informal one, and we need to term it as friendly letter because here we will be writing the letter to those whom we know personally, right? So I will be discussing the format of friendly letter today. Before I start my class, I want each one of you to keep your exercise book and pen ready with you. If you don't have means ready with you, so just do that and jot down whatever, and I will be doing the same job with you all, right? So today we will discuss about the format of friendly letter, right? So this is the thing we will be discussing today. So let us start with the format first. First we need to jot down the sender's or self address, right? So here you can do that. You will write, although I think you all know this, but still I think I need to before starting this I need to somehow remind you all that what you need to remember. So first we will write house number. Okay, H will be capital 1. Then you will be writing number in full. You will not write no, that house no. Sometimes you have the habit to write it in this way, like this. This will not work here. So we need to write house the way I have written here. Okay, that is the full one. No abbreviation will be granted over here, right? So first you all will write house number. Then in the next sentence you will write the place. As for example, I am writing Khudiram Nagar. Then comma. Then you will write Midnapur, Paschim Midnapur, anything. Okay. Then you will provide the pin code. Then you will put a full stop. So in sender's address I have written down house number C20, comma, then Khudiram Nagar, comma, then Midnapur. I have provided hyphen and I have written I have given pin code and then I have put a full stop. So here you all will find comma, comma, full stop pattern. Then next comes the date part. Okay, in date part you all will write or you all will provide the actual date of that particular day. Okay, as for example, you all are supposed to write the exact date of that particular day, that is 6th May 2020, and you should not put punctuation over there. You need not to punctuate this with comma or full stop. It will be simply like this. First you all will put the sender's address, then you will leave a space, then you all will write the actual date of that particular day, then again you will come to the salutation part, and in the date part you are not going to punctuate this, right? So suppose you are about to you are asked to write a letter to your friend. So how will you address your friend? You will write my dear, then you will write your friend your friend's name, my dear, then you will write your friend's name, whatever it is. So here you need to focus. The thing is, as for example, if I write my dear Akash, so here you all see I have written M capital, D small, and Akash A in capital letter. Okay, so here my dear Akash, M capital, D small, and proper noun, so it will definitely have a capital letter at the very beginning. So next comes the introduction part of the letter. So here the introductory line or the very first line, it should have a clear link. It should be clearly linked with the topic. Okay, so first line will definitely deal with the topic. Now some of you have the habit to start your letter with hello my friends, how are you, or my dear whatever is the name of your friend, then how are you. Now the first sentence cannot be a question one. This is the first thing you need to remember, that the first sentence cannot be a question one, and it should definitely deal with the topic. It should definitely be linked with the topic. Okay, so first sentence should be directly linked with the topic and should not be a question one, right? So here you will provide slight hint. You can provide slight hint regarding the when I will come to the worksheet part, I will discuss about this with some example. Now you need to focus on the format only. Okay, so first you need to put the introduction part, which should be directly linked with the topic. Okay, which should be directly linked with the topic. Next comes body part. Okay, so in the body of the letter you will provide whatever is being asked to you in the letter. Whatever it be is being asked to you, you will definitely write about that, or you can elaborate over there. But you need to, when you will be writing the body part, you need to focus that what is the question that is being asked to me. So you need to be very much specific regarding the choice of the words. Okay, so you need to put some those type of words that will be clearly explaining the question or clearly serving the question, right? So in the body part you will do that. If the question will definitely be in sequence. Okay, so you need to highlight each part. It will be having 2 parts, 3 parts. So you need to follow all the parts provided in the question paper. Okay, in the body part you all will do that. Then comes the concluding part. Again, it will definitely again be like the first one, that the conclusion should be again clearly linked with the topic. So concluding line should be directly linked with the topic. Okay, so like at the very beginning, the way you have put the introduction, the conclusion should be like that. Now here also you have the habit of writing today for this much, hope to meet you soon. This type of sentences some of you are habituated to write. Now I need to remind you all that when you are going to put or you are going to conclude your letter, so in the conclusion part, the first sentence should be directly linked with the topic. So there definitely no place over here for the first sentence to be like that, hope to meet you soon, or up to this much today, whatever some of you are habituated to write. So here you will definitely conclude with the topic. Now next comes the subscription part. For friendly letter, you will end your letter with love, comma, yours affectionately, again comma, then only your name. Okay, only your name. Suppose your name is Ram, so you will write Ram only. Okay, then put a full stop. Now here again I want you all to focus. With love, W will be capital, L small. Then after with love, comma, the next sentence you will write yours affectionately, Y will be capital, affectionately, A will be small, again comma, then your name Ram, R will be, obviously it's proper noun, so it will be capital only, so full stop. So this is the format of a friendly letter. First you will provide the sender's address or self address. Then you will provide the date where which you are not going to punctuate. Okay. Then you will put the salutation part, that is my dear. As for example, I have written Akash here. So M will be capital, D will be small, and A will be capital. Then you will put a comma. Then comes the introduction part. Introduction should be directly linked with the topic. Then comes the body part where you will be explaining, you will be serving the question. Okay, whatever is being asked, you will provide all the informations. Then the conclusion. In the concluding line, again the concluding line should be directly linked with the topic. Then comes the subscription part where you will write with love, comma, yours affectionately, comma, then your name, only name, and after name full stop. So this is the format of friendly letter. Now I want all of you to go through the format which is given in the study material. You need to go through it. You need to understand this, and then there you will find a worksheet where you need to write 2 letters. Write those letters and come back. I will be, as I cannot check your papers right now, exercise books, I cannot see whatever you all have written, but I will be explaining that what do I expect you all to write, right? So let's start your work. You all go do first you go through the format, then write those letters, and then come back, and then we will have a discussion.